Hello and welcome to your practice. This is a gentle yoga stretch to release any aches in your body or tension from your day. You don't need any props, so when you're ready, start in a comfortable seated position. Plant your right hand beside you and inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, side bend and lean your torso toward the right. Elongate across your left side body and slightly turn your chest toward the sky. Inhale deeply. Exhale, look down toward the mat and keep your side bend as you release your left hand to the floor beside your right. Soften into your lower back. Inhale, lift your left arm and return to your side bend. Exhale, rise back up to sit and release your left hand down. Inhale, reach your right arm high. Exhale, side bend to the left this time. Lengthen your right side body and slightly rotate your chest upward. Inhale deeply. Exhale, look down to the floor. And keep your side bend as you release your right hand down to the mat beside your left. Relax your lower back. Inhale, lift your right arm and return to your side bend. Exhale, rise back up to sit. Plant your fingertips behind you and ground your feet onto the floor wider than your hips. Gently rock your knees from side to side to create 90-90 angles in your legs. Warm up through your hip joints and into your lower back as you windshield wiper your legs from side to side. Take one more breath in each direction. And then cross your ankles and roll forward onto all fours. Gently sway your hips from side to side. Inhale, reach your right leg behind you and lift it to the height of your hip. Exhale, cross your right knee behind your left and lower your shin to the floor. Lean your hips back towards your heels, almost into a child's pose shape. Inhale, rise back up and reach your right leg behind you. Exhale, step your foot forward and place it outside your right hand. Rise to your fingertips and sink your hips down. Gently sway your hips from side to side to release any bits of tension. Inhale, lean your hips back to align over your back knee and straighten your front leg as you flex your toes toward the sky. Exhale, lead with your chest and fold your torso forward over your front leg. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bend your front knee and lean your hips back down into a lunge. Ground your left palm and reach your right arm high as you twist your torso open to the right. Unwind your twist and release your hand to the floor. And heel ball toe to shuffle your right foot toward your left hand and release your shin to the mat. Slide your back knee down the mat and soften your hips downward into pigeon pose. Inhale, rise to your fingertips and lift your chest high. Option to stay here, or exhale, fold your torso forward and down over your front leg. Inhale, slowly rise back up. Exhale, readjust to return to all fours. Sway your hips from side to to release any tension that may have built. Return back to neutral and inhale, reach your left leg back behind you. Exhale, cross your leg behind your right knee and release the weight of your hips towards your heels into that child's pose shape. Inhale, rise back up and kick your left leg back. Exhale, step your foot forward outside of your left hand. Soften your hips downward and rock your hips from side to side. Inhale, lean your hips back to stack over your back knee. Straighten your front leg and flex your ankle. Exhale, fold forward over your front leg. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bend your front knee and lean forward into a lunge. Ground your right palm and reach your left arm high as you twist open to the left. Unwind your twist and release your hand to the floor. Wiggle your left foot toward the right side of your mat and lower your shin. Slide your back knee toward the back of your mat and lower your hips into pigeon pose. Inhale, rise to your fingertips and lift your chest. Exhale, option to fold forward over your front leg. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Slowly rise back up if you lowered. And swing your back leg forward in front of you. Draw the soles of your feet to touch and open your knees out wide into a butterfly shape. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist to the left. Take your left hand behind you and rest your right hand on your left knee. Inhale, unwind. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, return back through center. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fold forward over your legs. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Rise back up and rest one hand on your belly and one hand over your heart. Option to soften your gaze or close your eyes as you draw your awareness inward. Take long, full, deep inhales through your nose, followed by long, full, deep exhales, also through your nose. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen and chest beneath your hands. Keep this steadiness in your breath as you inhale, sweep your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, draw your palms to meet in front of your heart and bow forward in gratitude for your practice and yourself. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe.